Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today, we're going to talk about our newest product, the insect light trap. The insect light trap is commonly used inside of cafeterias, restaurants, and other dining facilities back kitchen area. Today, we're going to answer some questions raised by our customers regarding our insect light traps. The first question commonly asked from us is that how can lights attract insects? We actually use ultraviolet rays in a specific frequency to attract these insects. Preferably, insects are most attracted to these lights when the frequency reaches about 365. Now the second question is, how do we make sure that we have a good product that can produce these ultraviolet lights or rays? Now the reason of that is we use the brand Philips, which is the most recognized brand on the market to produce these certain kinds of light bulbs. The third question commonly asked is, how can I tell if a light bulb is actually generating these ultraviolet rays? Because there's no way to visually see if they're generating any, since it's not visible to the naked eye. Now we have a quick method to show. This is a 100 yuan Chinese yuan. Under the light over here, you can see that this area right here will glow over here. And if you fold it without the light, it will turn into a normal color. To demonstrate more clearly, if you bring it close, it will turn into this color. And if you block it, it will go off. On and off. Now this is only one way to tell if there is any ultraviolet rays. However, we have done also many testings and we have reports to show that our products has actually the right amount of wavelength, which is safe for human to visually see and getting close to. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.